Hello folks, and welcome back to another YouTube tutorial where we're going to see how to open and download transcript from a YouTube video. This is an easy process, you can do it in just seconds. Follow me through these steps to see how to do it. First, on desktop, you go to YouTube, go to the video you want to download transcript for, and click on those three dots under the video, then show transcript. Then here we go. In here you can see the transcript and the timestamps on the video. To remove the timestamps, just click on toggle off timestamps to just be able to only copy the transcript. But if you want to do it on a third-party app, just go to those three tools and see what they can do for you. But if you're on your Android phone, you can just click on the more option under the video name and then show transcript. You can also download it or copy it or wherever you want to do it. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you like this video.